This is the road. Hi guys, good morning. This is Gorkhay. Welcome back to my YouTube channel again. And today we are going home today from here. It was a very good stay here. Before that we are going to Pemling, and there is one waterfall, and after that we'll go ahead and we'll go back to the home. Time to say goodbye. Yata didile hamlai pura take care garnu bhako didile. Okay guys, so we are going to Pemling. There is a waterfall. Right now this is charcoal only. See, this is very beautiful pine trees. This way to go to Lolegaon from here again. And this road we came from last time when we came from Bakri Wood. It's beautiful view. क्या करे भाई, जा रहा है तो अच्छी जगह पे जा रहा है, पहले मेहनत तो करना पड़ेगा ना. Okay, so there is small village. यो जगह का नाम चाहिँ के हो? जोले जोरल्याङ. Okay, so let's go from the Zolang. There is a little bit more further to go. Oh yeah, very bad road. रास्ता गुल. छात दुख्यो हिँडै गयो अरू भन्दा यो अहिलेको बाटो चाहिँ कसरी चढ्छस्? दुईपल्ट झन्डै लडेँ नि म. करने लगा रे बाबा. आए आए, चलते रहो, हार खाने वाले से नहीं अपन लोग. उतरा राम्रै छ त बाटो माथिको भन्दा के भयो. तपाईलाई त राम्रो हो नि, तपाईले चारजना हालेर पनि कुदाइदिन्छ नि. कहाँ उहाँ राखिदिउ न अन्त. So I keep my bike there. I'm going to walk from here. Hey, होइन भाइ के हुन्छ?
I can't take the risk.
I can't take the risk. Look at this. This is the road. Oh my god.
The road.
Road होइन नि, यो त चोर बाटो.
This is man-made road.
Man-made road.
हिँडेर बनाएको. हैन, इमाजिन पोस्ट.
यही बस्नुहोस् मजाले.
Tired, totally tired.
See, he came through this way. अपना विक्रांत भाई पूरा इस्तेमाल कर रहा है हिमालयन का. Okay. He take out his shoes because flooded with the water. So
Actually, there was no road.
yeah, no. Hello, Rasta Dundo. There's a beautiful view of waterfalls, but the road you have to make your own. See, look at that. It looks very small in the GoPro, but now we are thinking whether we'll go or not. And
This one is a Pemling Waterfalls, and this exploring, and like people are visiting to see this nature, and like maximum people they love to visit this place.
yeah, this
and
is so
hope,
beautiful. Yeah.
in days to come, more people will visit this place.
Yeah, but the road is, there's no road actually. Where's the road? Wow, beautiful waterfalls, but it's very far. And we decided not to go because actually this place is not yet explored with the people. People doesn't know about this. This is in, as per the locals say, this is Pemling Waterfall. And we are going back from here because we cannot go. This is the last stop. Time हिँड्यो जानु मन परायो फेरि मलाई. So we are going back from here now. बाटै छोड्दैन कस्तो हुन्थ्यो चल्थ्यो बाटो छ कहीँ छोड त है उठाउँछ अप्ठ्यारो बाटोमा अलिकति बाटो छोडेर हिँड्नु न मान्छेले
कस्तो अलिक साइड दिनु
त्यही त चल्थ्यो बाटोमा
उता आयो लोकल आन्टीहरू साइडमा दिएर
त्यो होइन नानीसित थियो नि त हो जोगाउनेहरू त्यो साह्रै भएको
भिडियो गर्यो
दिदी यो जग्गाको नाम चाहिँ के हो खास चाहिँ पेमलिङ वी ह्याभ समथिङ हियर लाइक म्यागी noodles place is called Pemling. So guys, right now I'm going to Deorali, and even the Samther is going from this way. Samther is 5 kilometers from here. I stayed here last night. Look at ल भाइ सुट जाउँ ल ल कल गर ल ल 3 घन्टामा त पुग्नु पर्छ त म घर 3 घन्टामा त घर पुग्नु पर्छ जसरी म ल dhaba we ate there last time. So guys, this is Samther. So I think I need to take left. काली झोडा पुग्ने बाटो कताबाट हो? उकालोबाट? ओह्रालोबाट कहाँ पुग्छ? 27 माइल. ए हुन्छ. I'm going to Kali Jhoda. Now here. अरे कता फर्केको आज
एक्लै छ त
होइन केटाहरूलाई छोडेर म आज इन्टरभ्यू छ कि मेरो
एकदम बाटो देऊ भन्ने
अझै आधी घन्टा अफ रोड रहेछ त यता पनि है राम्रो छ बाटो भ्यू पोइन्ट पनि छ अरे कता हो
देखिहाल्छ जाँदा जाँदा तल पुरै प्लेन्स देखिहाल्छ
ल साथी मजा आयो कालिम्पोङमा ल रोड इज गेटिङ बेटर नाउ so I'm confused now. There's nobody. See, that is Teesta. Oh my god, even this side, lovely place, beautifully awesome. Social area, drive slow. दिदी यो जग्गाको नाम के हो पन्बु भन्ने यही हो यता भ्यू पोइन्ट भएको जग्गा यही हो उही पर हो यताबाट कालीझोडा पनि जान्छ डाइरेक्ट है and this is the viewpoint I think. Look at the view. What is this, man? Oh, this is river Teesta. Look at the cloud. It was a very beautiful view. You can go till there for the morning walk or else there also, but not now. So I'm going back from here. अरे भाई टर्निंग्स तो एकदम सांप वाला टर्निंग है जैसे फिर ऑफ रोड है भाई अरे भाई देखो ना Oh, finally, powerhouse 160 MW. I don't know what is that. Teesta Load Dam. Wow, man! Wow, it looks so amazingly beautiful. Okay, let's go. So this is River Teesta. Beautiful. I'm on top of the Teesta river right now. This is a bridge. Wow, look at this. It's very huge. क्या नज़ारा है भाई. This is the नज़ारा. देखो देखने में क्या जाता है ये दिखा रहा हूँ फ्री में देखो वाओ मैन वाओ बाटो निक्लिने यताबाट हो बाटो यताबाट निक्लिन्छ है Okay, so this road is connecting this road. Look at this. Siliguri 25 kilometers from here. मन तो करता है कि मैं बाइक को उड़ा डालूं पर क्या करे भाई उड़ने के लिए पंख चाहिए ना Coronation Bridge on my left. See, this is the Coronation Bridge. I went through that way last time but I came from this way. It was a very good journey and I think I'm going to end up my vlog here only. So guys, don't forget to subscribe if you watch it, and if you like it just press the like button, and obviously you just do share with your friends. Thank you. Signing off. Kota